And also, just so you know, the first song is a cover. It's Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes.
Oh,
but the
my.
second song they're going to do right after that is actually, we learned about blues this week and 12-bar blues in that form. And the second song they're going to play is a blues song that they wrote called Question. So not only did they learn instruments for the very first time song this week, they wrote their first song, which is pretty cool. So let's give them a hand. One, two, three, four.
I'm gonna fight them off. The Seven Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip me off. Taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind and I can't forget. And nothing's coming from my eyes, it's leaving
Alright, hold on a second, guys. Let's start that up again. Here's the count. 1, 2, 3.